Have you ever sat and listened to the sounds around you? The sounds of everyday life? Have you ever ventured out into the untamed natural wild? Do you know the sound that is made by peacefulness and calm? If you've ever wondered what it was like to set aside your stress and depression, I urge you to leave the city and simply just take a walk. Listen to the breeze, the rustle of the trees. Listen to the sounds that the stream makes as it glides over the rocks. Take just a moment and put your mind on pause. Relax and take it all in. Let the stress of life fade into the distance. Sound. Have you ever been at peace? Have you ever just sat and listened? The sounds of everyday life can be so overwhelming. The sensory overload is all around us, and most of the time, we don't even notice. Step out of the city, just for a bit, someplace where the traffic is minimal and people are scarce. You must escape the machine that surrounds you. You don't have to go far or even stay very long. The concrete jungle is a massive drain on sanity, and venturing into Mother Nature can quickly replenish your spirit. This is the sound of peace.